Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so I've challenged my wife, Alyssa, to make a Taco Bell Mexican pizza. She says she can make it identical. We'll see.
All right, my husband has challenged me to make a Mexican pizza at home, just like Taco Bell. I think this should be pretty easy. I'm gonna start out with ground beef, taco seasoning mix, and we're gonna make this just like you normally would for tacos. All right, our ground beef is browned. So, taco seasoning mix and 2/3 cup of water. We like Old El Paso seasoning mix, but just choose your favorite. Mix it up and then just heat it up on the stovetop. Now let's fry our tortilla shells. And the longer you fry them, the crispier they're gonna be. As I take these off, I'm gonna put them on a cookie sheet for assembling the Mexican pizzas. It's gonna take 2 tortilla shells for each Mexican pizza, so I'm gonna go ahead and make 4. Okay, I just carried everything over here to the counter for easier assembly. So here we've got our refried beans. We're gonna spread a layer of refried beans onto the bottom shell. Just make a thin layer, as much or as little as you like. Then we're gonna spread our meat mixture over top of the beans. We probably use a little bit more meat than Taco Bell does. We are meat lovers. All right, then we put the second shell over it. A little bit of enchilada sauce on top of the top shell. We don't want it to get too soggy, so try not to do too much. All right, and then some crushed tomatoes on top of the enchilada sauce. Shredded Colby Jack cheese. All right, now we're gonna pop these in the oven just long enough to melt the cheese. All right, what do you think? Is it close?
Oh, I think yours looks better. It's a little bit thicker, but yes. Taco Bell, you didn't have yours slide over the side of the box like theirs always does. Taco Alyssa. All right, I'm excited. I do love my Taco Bell Mexican pizza, I ain't gonna lie. So I'm gonna try that one first. It's good. It'd be hard to beat that. Oh my goodness. They're actually not identical. Yours is way better. Yay! This is good. I'm gonna give this was a 10 in my book. Now, this has moved down to a 7. This is now a 10.
Yay!
It's amazing.